Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The 2025 Tata Punch emerges as a testament to Tata Motors' commitment to innovation, design, and functionality in the compact SUV segment. Building upon its predecessors, this iteration introduces a blend of aesthetic enhancements, technological advancements, and performance upgrades, catering to the evolving preferences of modern drivers. At first glance, the 2025 Punch captivates with its refreshed exterior design. The compact SUV measures 3,827 mm in length, 1,742 mm in width, and 1,615 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,445 mm, ensuring a robust road presence while maintaining urban maneuverability. The front fascia showcases a redesigned grille flanked by sleek headlamps, exuding a contemporary appeal. Subtle character lines along the sides and a reimagined rear profile contribute to a cohesive and dynamic aesthetic. The addition of new color options and alloy wheel designs further allows buyers to personalize their Punch to reflect individual tastes. Under the hood, the Punch retains the reliable 1.2-liter three-cylinder Revotron petrol engine, delivering 86 PS of power and 113 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 5-speed automated manual transmission, AMT, offering flexibility to suit diverse driving preferences. The powertrain ensures a harmonious balance between performance and fuel efficiency, making it adept for both city commutes and highway journeys. The interior of the 2025 Punch is a harmonious blend of comfort and technology. Dominating the dashboard is a 10.25-inch infotainment system, providing intuitive access to multimedia, navigation, and connectivity features. The cabin is thoughtfully designed with quality materials, ergonomic seating, and ample storage solutions, ensuring a comfortable experience for both driver and passengers. The spacious layout, combined with adjustable seating configurations, caters to varying passenger and cargo needs, enhancing the vehicle's versatility. Safety remains a paramount focus for Tata Motors. The Punch is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including 6 airbags, electronic stability control, escape, a 360-degree camera, and a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. These features work in unison to provide a secure driving environment, reinforcing the brand's dedication to passenger protection. The robust build quality and adherence to stringent safety standards further solidify the Punch's reputation as a reliable compact SUV. User experiences with the Tata Punch have been predominantly positive. Owners appreciate its stylish design, strong build quality, and comprehensive safety features. The compact dimensions coupled with the high driving position make it particularly suited for urban environments. However, some users have reported issues such as instrument cluster malfunctions and concerns regarding the battery's adequacy, especially in models equipped with the AMT transmission. These insights highlight the importance of continuous improvement and attentive after-sales support to address and mitigate potential concerns. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Tata Punch is positioned competitively within the compact SUV market. The base model starts at approximately a superscript 1.6 lakh, with higher variants offering additional features and customization options at increased price points. This pricing strategy ensures that the Punch remains accessible to a broad spectrum of consumers, from first-time car buyers to those seeking a reliable second vehicle. Fuel efficiency is another area where the Punch excels. Owners have reported mileage figures ranging from 16 to 18 km/L, depending on driving conditions and habits. This efficiency, combined with a fuel tank capacity that ensures extended driving ranges, makes the Punch a cost-effective choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel alike.